Good morning, friends. Time for the early morning update on 9th of March 2020. Now, as we wake up, all Asian markets seem to be down 3.5 to 4%. SGX is down 277 points, and it is unbelievable that the way the markets are trying to rush towards our latest targets of about 10,400. And I think my videos over the weekend were very appropriate, where I told people to desist from expecting pullback rallies. So, you know, it's an I told you so moment. But really, you know, people who were expecting great pullback rallies were just being stupid because they wanted to prove that they could, quote unquote, predict turns in the market. Something is wrong. I mean, Brent crude is down to 35. Gold is up another $25-30. US futures, uh, the Dow is down 1100 points. And some of you were expecting that because Dow has recovered, hence, our markets will recover. Dream on. I mean, let's be clear, something is breaking down, and this is post the Fed cuts and all kinds of reassurance that you know uh, there will be lots of liquidity from different central banks. Now, I haven't quite understood what is the fresh trigger. Right now, what I can see in the media is that this oil deal has failed, and hence the markets are moving lower. But the underlying is basically the global slowdown, and like I had said, the markets will accelerate on the downside. you know the economies are accelerating on the downside. All kinds of mayhem is being let loose. So if you are going to open 274 points lower, I think you could have another 350-point day, because today you are going to break your tax cut low. So this is just going from bad to worse. What do you do at the open? I don't think you can do too much. And at best, maybe at the open you can buy your 10,000 put, etc. But the implied volatility will be so high that it'll be uh, maybe silly to buy puts at very high prices. Lots of people have been quoting Warren Buffett and have started to buy below 11,000. That is stupidity. In a market that is falling in this manner, if anybody tries to buy, 5 days later the prices will be so low that he would not be able to recognize what stock he bought. On the bank Nifty, again, you are heading towards 25,000, 25,500 in a very, very fast manner. So now we can, excuse me, debate whether the fall is because of global reasons or local reasons. You can always think of excuses of why certain things happen or certain things don't happen. The financial sector is getting derated in this country, and I think that derating by Friday will reach fairly strong levels. All assets are going to get derated again and again. Several who's who of the financial industry keep saying that it was only Yes Bank, and all the other banks are safe, etc., etc. Good luck proving, because the markets are not interested. Wherever they get a whiff of any sort of trouble, they are going to kill those stocks. The market will kill those stocks. The market is not going to cut any slack. What you should buy, buy if you have to. Although there shouldn't be any hurry, I would let all the selling to get done before I start to buy. But still, there are some people who want to buy into turmoil. So, again, your Asian Paints, Pidilite Industries, things which are oil sensitives, while they have held on, but chances are they are still much better bets than trying to get into international commodities or tech stocks, etc., because something has broken down. So there shouldn't be any hurry to buy that, if you don't buy here, you will buy 15% higher, etc. Chances are you'll get 15% lower rates by the time this is done. I was talking about momentum the other day. Look at how the momentum is increasing at key support levels. 10,650. You are jumping over levels to get there. So, let's not kid ourselves that this is a correction. This is not a correction. This is a raging, roaring bull market, bear market, sorry. And the bear, he is not even letting you see certain prices. He is just, you know, biting people alive. So, A, the way to deal with this is remain short. B, if you don't want to short or cannot short, stay out of the way of this, train which is heading towards you at a great speed. You will get killed. So, that is my advice. Very tough to say what you should do today at the open, but I would think, given the momentum, chances are we are going to break 10,600 today itself. So, take care, all the best, and good luck trading the markets. Please keep your stops. Don't do anything adventurous thinking or kitna girega. You will be surprised by the time it's done. And also, please consult your financial advisor.